Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads. And as always, enjoy the video. On February 21, 2023, Officer Gill with the Houston Police Department was dispatched to a reported domestic disturbance in Harris County, Texas. Upon speaking with the residents, the female suspect was observed behaving and speaking in an erratic manner while rocking side to side with a look of confusion on her face. It would later become known that Romeo and Juliet met just 2 weeks ago and have been living together ever since. Unfortunately for Juliet, tonight she would be headed for jail after striking Romeo with a closed fist. A truly storybook ending for their relationship. For the kids watching, don't move in with someone you literally just met. This is how it ends, every single time. Anyways, enjoy.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
59. Does somebody have the child, or is he still walking in the street?
How can I help you?
Oh, sorry. I don't speak English, so...
Okay. Who am I here for?
The lady is crazy.
That's not... Okay. That's your opinion.
Yeah.
How can I help you? Right here?
Yeah.
Please. Yes, sir. How can I help you? Yes. How can I help you?
Sir, I'm scared. Can you call the police first?
I am the police.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. How can I help you?
We just come from the street. We're going to eat
Okay.
to get dinner, but she's there acting, talking by herself.
Sure.
And then she was sitting right here smoking, and then I went to my nephew.
Smoking drugs or cigarettes?
Cigarette. And then we go to the side of my nephew to show where he's gonna sleep because he come from Dallas.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna take a night out here.
Okay.
And then I was talking to him. She come inside with an aggressive thing and hit me.
Hit you?
Yeah,
And did you feel pain? Did it hurt?
a little bit.
A little bit? Are you
Yeah,
trying to
she
find
already hit me before, and then she hit me, and then I told her, what's going on? Why you attacking me?
Okay, does she live with you?
Yeah, she lived with me
All right. What's her relation to you?
like a girlfriend or
So the girlfriend. So she's your girlfriend.
yeah. She moved right here.
Sir, I'm hiding.
Come again. So she's your girlfriend, correct?
No, sir, he was talking to me at my job.
Who is she related to?
He was
Why
talking
is
to me
she
at
here?
my job. Oh, he was talking to me at my job.
Give me a second,
sir.
ma'am. I got
He
you. I
was
appreciate
talking to me
you.
at my job.
Who is she to you?
And
My girlfriend.
he took advantage.
So,
And he trusted me, and then he was giving me drugs.
so you think she's having mental episode?
Mental
Because he
episode.
thinks
Okay.
I'm sick, sir.
Is there a reason why you can't take her to the hospital? Or you just want to throw her in jail?
Well, whatever you think is better because
Okay. Come downstairs, ma'am. So you felt pain, she hit you.
Sir, he provoked me,
Come on.
sir.
Get your ID for me. Come on, man. Put that cigarette out, though. I don't know. They want me to take you to jail. Come on. I think it's time to break up. Ma'am, come downstairs, please. I'm not going up there.
Oscar, I'm on Junior Rock Northbound West Timer right now.
It's going to be okay. We just have to sort it out. It's okay to be scared. That's okay. It's okay.
Sir, he was talking
It's
to me,
okay.
sir. I don't care about his reputation, sir. They do that.
I'm not asking about anybody's
Like,
reputation.
he was stalking me, sir.
I just have to
I'm telling you
sort
the truth.
things out. So he said that you assaulted him.
He said
So-
I assaulted him.
Yeah.
He's been disrespecting me, sir.
Did you hit him?
I didn't hit him. He provoked me because my
He
mental
provoked
illness.
you, but
yes, he gave
did you
me
hit him?
pills.
He gave you pills?
Yes.
You don't have to take them.
You guys deal with me now.
Okay. Okay. Did you hit him, ma'am?
No, he provoked me, sir.
He provoked you into doing what?
He provoked me. He gave me something. To give me something that I don't know. You don't even know how extensive stuff.
So he gave you something
He gave me
which
something.
provoked you into doing what?
It triggered my PTSD, sir.
And after he triggered your PTSD, you did what? I think that's HFD.
Came outside.
Did you call HFD as well? Come here. Come on. Okay, just policy. I'm gonna have to put handcuffs on you. It's no big deal. Can you turn
You
around
know
for
I
me?
don't do it.
That's okay. That's okay.
on.
That's just your cell phone.
Oh my God! You
What's in your hand?
stalking
Just your
me.
lighter?
And you talk to
Hey,
him
can you keep
to
her
cover
lighter?
your ass. Oh my God, sir, please.
That's okay.
I left earlier.
What's in your hand?
My
Just
God.
iPad.
I had
Can we keep that stuff here?
No, I don't want my things here. I left earlier.
Okay, how much of her things are here? A lot of things? Clothes and everything?
She got clothes, she got some
He left.
stuff like that.
He begged me to come here, sir. He was stalking me, sir.
How long has she been here?
2 weeks. I tried to leave 3 days after I got here.
Okay. So why can't you leave, man?
He won't let me, sir. I tried earlier, and I couldn't. No.
It's okay. Let me get you a second cup, okay? Just to be nice. One second. Okay, so you believe that she's having a mental issue? Has she ever had it before?
Sorry?
Has she ever shown this before?
She started three days ago.
No.
So she just started. How long have y'all been dating?
He fed me something.
How long have y'all been dating?
He cooked for me 3 days.
How long have y'all been
Tell
dating?
the truth. Tell the truth. You were stalking me at my job, and you brought me here.
How long have you been together?
You're a kidnapper.
2 weeks.
So you
Tell the
only known her for
truth.
2 weeks,
Yeah.
and she moved in 2 weeks.
She moved 2 weeks.
Okay, so you allowed her to move in your house in 2 weeks
And
after
called
meeting
your
her
wife.
2 weeks
You
ago.
want me to
Got
meet
it.
you at Woodway on
You were stalking me. You're a
Northbound
kidnapper.
Memorial right now.
So it looks like a mental episode. He met this young lady 2 weeks ago, and then magically moved her into his home, and now he wants police and
I
HFD to
need my
take care of his
stomach. He
business.
ate me.
I love that.
Call the ambulance. He don't know because I'm fat. He gave me more. I've been clean.
I need your ID, please.
Please grab my phone, sir.
Have your phone in
My
your
things.
in your
Get
earbud.
my cat.
Uh-huh. Come this way, please. I think this is where we're going.
Sir, please,
You're
please
parked over
hide
there. You're parked over there.
I'm hiding. I was trying to hide.
It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna take care of it. We're gonna make sure everything's okay.
Yeah, they sell those things.
Okay. Do you suffer from any mental illness?
Yes, sir, I do. But
do you
this
suffer
is not
from?
mental illness.
What do you suffer from? I'm not saying you are right now. What do you suffer from?
Oh, it's already on my
It might help you out.
No, this is not helping me.
But it helps us to kind of see what's possibly going on.
Please,
With police and HFD are here. Everyone's here.
Please, I don't need the hospital. Please, don't take me away.
Yeah, I'm watching your route passing a shaker.
Okay. What's easy for you? You want to put it on back? Yeah, just sit down. We're going to take a look at you, okay?
He thinks he's not here, right? Sir, I hadn't had relations in a year and a half, and he brought me here. And I tried to leave 3 days after I got here.
Yeah.
And he don't ever try to let me leave. He begs me to stay.
Okay. Would you like to ride to the hospital? Huh? Yeah?
Use dementia. Sir, they're extortioners,
Dementia?
sir. Yes, sir, there's things in Mexico that go on no one knows about because this is another country, sir. But they come here doing
Do
this.
you want to hurt yourself? You want to
I
hurt
don't want to
others?
hurt myself. I don't know how to ask for help. They want to.
That's what we're here for. That's what we're here
I
for.
got kidnapped because I thought
Would you be
he
willing?
stalked me. Really?
I got you. Would you be willing to actually go with them or with me to the hospital?
No, I need the police. Please, just
Okay.
please.
Have a seat.
Should be in the northwest corner of
Have a seat. Okay.
Where you like the horse?
Yeah, turn this way.
Put your back to the side. Oh my God.
right
He
now.
asked me to get the fuck out of here. Then he didn't need me in his life. He had enough problems. And only 3 days later, I told him, man, this isn't going to work out. I need to
Do you have an ID, ma'am?
sir, my things.
It's upstairs.
He told me first. He knows how it works.
I'm gonna put your stuff right here, okay?
Domestic violence.
That's okay. I'm
No,
gonna
sir.
put that right there. Do you know your ID number?
32-year-old Sujay Perales was arrested on 1 count of misdemeanor assault on a family member. If convicted, she could face up to a year behind bars. Fortunately, the hero of our story has an extensive history interacting with the criminal justice system. Like what that one blonde chick said, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
No.
What's your first name and last name? Sorry? I'll be right there.
No, sir.
So, that's your Texas ID number? Thank you, man.
Going on?
See if I can find you, okay?
John, you've had at least 10 times,
What time did she hit you?
One time.
What time? What time?
Oh, like.
¿Qué?
¿A qué hora me golpeó?
Oh, espérame, déjame el video. Vamos a ver.
Grab hers for me, please, if you don't mind.
you still working?
Her ID, if you have it.
No,
It's her ID upstairs.
Oh, her ID.
Her ID. So how did she hit you again? Open hand, closed hand, what? Push, a little push?
It was like this.
Okay, so one punch.
Yeah.
And you felt pain?
I don't know what's going on.
And you felt pain when she hit you?
Yeah, I feel pain. Yeah, she is strong. She's, for the problem she had mentally thing, it's not her. It's something else already.
Are you looking to press charges?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because just 2 days ago, I mean, I make her come.
Why?
Because she was a little bit aggressive. So that I was sleeping. And
Okay,
then
so she was aggressive to you a while back.
yeah.
Then you made her do what?
I tried to make it like a calm down.
Okay, let her calm
Yeah,
down.
calm down. And then yesterday night, I was sleeping. She standing like next to me, and I was laid down. She started screaming,
Yeah.
like,
What is?
and I said, hey, take it easy. But right now she's like, she was talking by herself right here.
Yeah.
35.
What's her phone number?
You
know it?
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
And you've known her for 2 weeks.
Yeah. I've been knowing her for a year and a half.
But dating for 2 weeks.
Dated, and then we was dating, and then I told her I would decide to move together. I told her, hey, I have an apartment.
They were just
And you
following
can move.
So you said 2 months together?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, and I told her, hey, let's move together, you know, it's gonna be alright, whatever. And then, yeah, she moved everything, address, stuff like that, and then, like, she's acting like this because, you know what, 3 days ago, not 3 days ago, I think Saturday, she got called from her ex-boyfriend. And then
What's the
she's
phone number?
acting like it. Okay.
Wood on the street before the bridge.
What's your phone number?
My phone number?
Saturday, 10:30.
Yeah. 10:54.
10:54. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So one time, and you do want to press
Frank
charges.
23, I got one female in the back seat.
Hang on to that, please.
That's good, thank you.
Okay. Let me go see what's going on with her.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the hospital in the car.
Yeah, you're going to go in the hospital.
No emergency.
I mean, that's where you're going to the hospital. You take care of. Is it possible?
Do you want to go to the hospital? It matters. I mean, EDO is just by force.
No, sir. I don't need it by force.
You can volunteer.
It really doesn't
Okay,
matter.
please sit up.
You want to go to the hospital and get your
I
stuff
don't
pumped
need
out?
the hospital. I need to talk to the police. I'm trying to tell you something. You don't want to listen.
Talk away. I'm right here, man.
DEA wants to hear it from me.
DEA wants to hear from you, man?
I have to go talk to her personally, please.
Please have a seat, man.
Please, I don't need the hospital anymore and all that. I'm running. And he told me he was
have a
running too.
Take your time. Have a seat.
The last time this happened in my car.
Just take your
My
time.
car.
Just have a seat, please.
I'm gonna stay.
Ma'am, have a seat, please. Ma'am, have a seat, please. Have a seat, please, ma'am. Ma'am, please have a seat. Have a seat.
And then he helped himself to his own drugs. Synthetics. And I tried to run, and he almost killed me while I tried to leave. They tried to crash me when I was leaving. And on the freeway, I didn't even know what I was doing.
Hello?
And my car, please, I need my mom to come pick up my car, please.
I'm not sure if we got
Please.
on the wrong foot. I'm not trying to get bad at you. Okay, so... All right. This is your form. She's going to go to JPC, which is jail. Okay. I need to take pictures of you, though. So you said you got injuries right here. Any bruising? Any bruises? Marks?
I haven't bruised.
You don't think so?
No.
Let me take a picture of you right here in the light. Just kind of stand right here for me. Sorry about the light. Just kind of stand straight for me. 1, 2, 3. Sorry about the light. 1, 2, 3. Can you show me your shoulder? There you go. 1, 2. You can hit right here. Okay. Kind of point to it this time. 1, 2. Thanks. All right. So she's going downtown. Get processed. I'm not sure what's gonna happen after that. It's up to the judge. Okay.
Yeah, she got.
So she will have to come back to get her stuff.
Okay.
And how you guys gonna move forward? Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys. God bless. Take care.
Thank you. And like he was telling me his brother, this is my nephew.
Yeah.
Mother and nephew has the same pronouns.
Yeah.
And he was. My nephew was speaking some heavy stuff, and then he can speak heavy stuff. He said, my nephew said he wasn't him because something else was in his body.
Right.
I mean, that's why I tried to hide a knife or something like that for a night because
Just in case.
in case, you never know.
I got you.
He's sleeping.
Yeah. You never know. And you don't want to sleep around it because you don't feel safe.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Please come on out. Okay, come on. I'm off, ma'am.
Can you please walk me, sir? I don't know how I did it. Wait, let me think. Wait. I'm trying to look at something. Can you hold me? Can you hold me? They broke my ankles.
I got you.
Hold me, sir. I know, but I'm weak.
We're almost there. Just
No,
relax.
you want to turn me around. I gotta give it to
turn
you.
me. Come on.
I'm trying to bend. Oh, my God. Please walk me, sir.
I am.
Just walk me back.
Okay?
No, don't turn me around, sir, please. I'm telling you, my back. My back. Don't turn me that way.
You have to face this way.
Don't
It's okay.
turn me that way, sir.
I'll tell you what. Let's walk backwards. Ready? Let's walk backwards. This way. This way. Come on.
We're calling for somebody to come help.
Well, I think it's just...
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you're looking for more content, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.